We love working with Grace Hill for so many reasons. After launch, sometimes software companies can fall flat. Really give us that luxury experience until we're fully implemented, and then after that, see if we can sink or swim. At Grace Hill, that was not the case. So we've been assigned a fantastic client service manager who I truly believe has a genuine interest in the success of our training program. What I also love about Grace Hill is the people just in general. And when I get to get on the phone with a product developer to show me a product that you guys are developing, ask me, does this work for you, is important because they don't know what they don't know, and I don't know what I don't know. So from their perspective, developing a certain tool in a certain way to benefit me as the customer is important, but it's also valuable for me to give the feedback of, that's really not a priority for me and here's why, or yes, please do more of that and how quickly can I get my hands on it because I need it yesterday. So by adopting Grace Hill, really any suite of their products, they silver platter the experience for you to not only implement the product, but also roll it out to your employees to where the undertaking would be so worth it. If I were to meet somebody that was on the fence about joining Performance HQ, really any of the suite of products that Grace Hill has to offer, I would ask them, how much time do you have? So that I can talk to them about how much it's improved my department in HR and training, but also our organization. I'm so confident that Grace Hill is going to give your employees the better experience than whatever you're offering today. It's easy to stay in my bubble of human resources and training and professional development, but seeing the cutting edge platforms that Grace Hill is not only buying and adopting, but also developing. I can't wait to get back and tell my executive team and get in the ear of our operations team to see interest in surveys and rent data. I really am excited to learn more about everything else Grace Hill is offering.